Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I have a few DIYs that I want to share with you for Mother's Day. Now, these are going to be room decor that you can give to your mom to decorate her home. I think they will turn out fantastic. Can't wait to share them with you. Let's jump into this DIY. So I have this left over from a last project I did for Valentine's. And so I'm glad I did not get rid of it. So now what I want to do is to leave everything as it is. This next DIY is going to be a pearl lamp. You will need the clear Christmas ornament from the Dollar Tree. You'll need some embellishment of your choice. I'm going with pearls. You will need a fairy light, and this came from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need a bowl, and this bowl came from Walmart for 50 cents. I got it a while ago. You'll need your scissors, you'll need a knife, you will need your marker, your glue gun, glue sticks, and a soldering knife. Now we can get started on this DIY. this next DIY, I want to share with you how to create some leaves and some felt flowers. Now, this same technique can be used on paper as well. So you will need some felts and you will get a shape. You can freehand it or you can print it out on your computer and then trace it onto your felt. It's up to you. Now you can create these as small or as large as you'd like to. You will need some form of container so that you can trace out onto your felt, and then you're going to use your scissors to follow the circle all the way around until you achieve somewhat of a spiral. Once you're finished creating your leaves and your flowers, you will need 2 of the Dollar Tree wooden skewers. Now I've discovered that Walmart does sell these as well, and they are 98 cents. So you can check Walmart as well. We're going to take our skewers and we're going to cut them down to the size that you desire. Now you will need 3 pieces because we're creating a triangle. This is going to be a Mother's Day wall decor. We're going to use the flowers we created. We're going to use some yarn. You will need your glue gun, glue sticks, your scissors, and the wire cutter to cut down your wood. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you like the way that these DIYs turned out and decide to join our family. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button down below and become a part of our family. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. All right, guys, let's see how this DIY turned out. So I've decided I wanted to add something that says mom to this wall decor. You can use the Dollar Tree wooden alphabet, but I decided I wanted to freehand it on the felt. Since I already have the felt out, I'm going to just create the mom. Thank you guys for being with me today. I hope you enjoy our time together. If you did, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your comment, and your support. Let me know if these are some DIYs you would recreate for your mom. All right, guys, thank you again, and I will see you on my next DIY.